Morning guys, John with Rural Homesteads here. So today I'm taking some gas out of my truck. I carry 2.5 gallons in the back of my truck all the time with some Stabilize in it, and I'm putting it down into exterior gas. But that's not what I'm talking about today. Today I'm talking about how to get it out of there. So I'm using a little pump here, a little siphon pump, and a couple little cables that I carry with me, little adapters that I carry in another box. This box sits next to the one that you just saw up there, and it's got just a bunch of pumping equipment in there, depending on what size hoses I need to get in there. I've also trimmed this one to get past that little ball valve in there for the anti-siphon stuff they have on a lot of vehicles. So if I've got to take it out of my tank, or I've got to take it out of somebody else's tank to get it into a container, both of those ride right here on the back of my truck. You can see where the other one would have sat right here, but I just pulled that off so that I could pull the gas out of it. Our power's been out for 4 days, and so I need some more gas for the generator in the back, and so I'm pulling this out. I try and empty this thing out every couple of months, put it into the truck, and this is how I put it into the truck. I just hook those together and run it around the side here and connect it into the vehicle and empty it out, and then put more gas in it. What I try and do when I go to the gas station though is not put regular unleaded in there. I try to put premium unleaded in there so I can use it with any of the small appliances I have, chainsaws, trimmers, edgers, blowers, whatever it is I'm using. It just works better if it's got a little more octane in it than regular unleaded. But this is working well. I've got probably the majority of it already. It looks like I've already got the whole thing emptied into here. So that's how we do it. I just carry this stuff with me so that I have it and I don't have to go hunting for it when I need to use it. Thanks for watching.